85 cold start. Highly doubt. This is like extreme cold. Like, I shouldn't even be on 85 right now. I gotta switch back to 93 after this tank. But we'll see how I do.
Nice.
I'm in danger.
I know I ain't gonna make it. Oh, man. Yeah, it's rough. Oh, I gotta get on 93. Yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little POV drive, something for y'all to look at, whatever. My car's still warming up, but it is what it is. So this is my last tank of E85 or whatnot. So after this, I'll be going back on 93 until the car sells or I sell it, depending on whichever is first. So yeah, so I wanted to talk to y'all. So basically, what I need to know is, what do you guys want me to get? So I keep posting it on my community tab, and you guys keep saying, you know, get the Hellcat, get the Hellcat. And it's like, in my mind, there's so many new cars that's coming out that I don't know if y'all aware of or whatever. So I just want to make y'all aware of it before, you know, y'all just go saying stuff. So basically, what my options are right now is the Hellcat, of course. After the Hellcat, I would say it was gonna be the M3. After the M3, I would say the Z01 1LE. After that, I would say the M340i BMW and the X3M. Now, it's 3 different BMWs, a Camaro, and a Hellcat. Those are my options right now. I know y'all want me to get the Hellcat, whatever. But all I'm saying is, there are so many Hellcats already on YouTube. So like, do you guys really want me to get that? Are y'all gonna watch that? Are y'all still gonna support me? Y'all gonna watch them ads if I get the Hellcat? Or what? Like, what do y'all see? What do y'all want me to do with the Hellcat that y'all haven't seen already? See, I'm thinking from a, you know, a YouTuber perspective. Like, what can I do, or what can I show people that they haven't seen already? And it's just like, the Hellcat is just so mainstream now. It's like, it's almost questionable. Like, why do you guys still want to see it? But I guess if you put it in different terms, people still watch the Scatpack too. So technically, you know, I guess the Scatpack still gets love or whatever. So I don't know. I really want the Camaro. Only reason it's turning me off is because wintertime. So in the winter, I don't want to be, you know, struggling, you know, in the snow and stuff. Like Hellcat Scatpacks, they don't have any trouble in the snow, really, honestly. But yeah, that's the question. That's the question of the day. I'm really, I don't know. It's like I want the hell. Don't get me wrong. Like I want the Hellcat, but it's like y'all didn't seen it already. This car on my ass. But yeah, y'all done already seen it or whatever. So it's like, I don't understand why y'all want me to get it. Now I can see the red eye, but that is a big financial, you know, decision to just buy a red eye. And I don't even know if y'all gonna support me, you feel me? I don't know if y'all gonna watch them ads, you feel me? So it's like, I don't know, it's just questionable. It's a lot of money. It is an investment. I just want to make the right choice, because I made the wrong choice with this. I mean, don't get me wrong, it was a good start for my channel, but there's only so much you could do, you know what I mean? So just keep that in mind when y'all making that decision or whatever. Now, what I say my third, or it's in no particular order, honestly, but M3, that is an expensive car too. But that car, the new engine that they have has a lot of potential. Like, it could be 9-second fast with like stage 2. So that's why I'm really looking at that. So I could be like a 9-second car for like 80K, which really ain't that impressive nowadays, but it's still, you know, a good starting point for me. Just starting on YouTube and stuff. I just want next year to be a good year, a crazy year for y'all. Want it to be a fun year. But yeah, so that's all I just wanted to talk to y'all about, man. Just let me know, like, really think about it and give me your reason why. Once you do it, once you put your answer in the comments, give me a description, like why you want me to get that. Why do you think I should get a Hellcat? Because everybody's saying Hellcat. I'm just curious, like, why do you guys want me to get a Hellcat? I'll get it. If somebody give me a good enough description, I will get the Hellcat. I promise. I promise y'all. So yeah, if this is your first time watching, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff for me. Support me and keep rocking with me, and I'm gonna keep rocking with y'all. I'm out this thing. Enjoy the rest of the POV. Deuces.